Our story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, low miles, and a good deal. Features also include satellite radio, rear view camera, USB adapter, MP3, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2016 Optima. The all-new Kia Optima offers a new level of style and performance features from Kia. The Optima also features engine management systems like direct injection and turbocharging, which enhance performance without sacrificing fuel efficiency. Its smooth flowing lines speak of grace and style and offer a strong hint of European luxury, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, power liftgate, stability control, traction control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.